Alright, I guess we're finally getting to it. Been so busy doing this, that, and the other. Supposed to do in Atlanta. I'm well back and into the groove of things, but here we go. We're gonna do that headlight restoration today. Yeah. The Benz has been once again running phenomenally. Still needs work, you know. Everything is always a work in progress, but it's doing awesome. Next. Alright, well first it said hit it with the 1000 grit sandpaper. And I have did that. It is some yellow nasty stuff coming off of here, boy. With oxidation. But it was yellow. It looked like almost like dark coffee creamer or something. But I have did that. And it has actually took like a whole bunch of that yellow oxidation off of there. You kind of, you can see it right there running along the car. See all that yellowness? Y'all. But it has did a great job. So this is the, well, me looking at the car, this is the left one. Alright. Actually, it looks, all right, now look at there, this is just the first step. And then look at this one. Big difference already. See, let me show you how much oxidation came off. I'll do this one a little bit. Now watch this. Now this is just water and sandpaper. But it looks like it got chemicals on it because it's so nasty. But you can already see the difference. See, I just did kind of like the top, and then see that bottom, how yellow it is, and I just did this a little bit. Oh, this one's way better though. Alright, I'll get back at you on step 2. Next. Alright, I am finished with step 1 on both headlights. This is when it's wet. Looks pretty good. We'll see when it dries, it gets back cloudy. But, you know, that's what gets handled in future steps. Next. Alright, I did the 3000 grit sandpaper. Not too much of a difference, but you know, I just made sure that all the pores or whatnot were covered. See it drying, but it gets back foggy, and that's where the step 3 comes in. So the oxidation is off of there. There's a little bit foggy, so let's solve that problem. Next. Alright, let's get started here. Third step is to take this plastic X and next. Alright. After one coat, I'm gonna say it's looking dang on good. That's just one coat. You can already see it got like a little gloss on it. And that's not wet. That's with the stuff on it buffed over. You can see the other headlight. See how it looks. That's what the previous one looked like until I put the plastic X on it and used the drill. But that looks doggone good. Alright, let's do another coat. Next. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and say I'm a true believer of that Meguiars heavy duty headlamp restoration. Y'all just tell me. Ooh, look at that. I'm talking about, y'all remember what them things used to look like? Yeah, look at that. Y'all remember what those headlights used to look like. Those are done. You see it. You see, oh, and if anybody forgot how clean, oh yeah, look at that engine bay. Ooh, that thing clean, clean. That thing clean, clean. You hear it? Listen to it. That thing purring. Oh yeah. I'm putting a little wax on it right now. Oh, you remember? You remember? Yeah, you remember. I just polished them rims real quick. I gotta get some new rotors and get them calipers sandblasted and then powder coated white. Yeah. The Benz center cap. Oh yeah. And if y'all didn't even know, the Benz, look at that. I got the Benz tire pressure stem cap on the tire. Ain't that something else, boy? I tell you, Benz on Benz on Benz. Oh yeah, y'all remember how clean it was? See, y'all done forgot. I think y'all done forgot. Y'all done forgot how clean that Benz was. Yeah, the rim clean, boy. That thing polished. Yeah, man. Y'all done forgot how clean that Benz was. I think y'all did. But y'all ain't got all that stuff. I just got all the cleaning supplies in the trunk. You already know. It's Big J, ENT in that thing, shout. Ooh. That thing clean. Oh yeah. I'm fixing it and selling it at the same time. Right now, they're probably $5,000 without my rims. You know? But the more I fix on it, the more I keep getting it right and righter, it's gonna go up. So it probably gonna end up capping off about $7,500. Cause everything gonna be new or replaced or, you know, refurbished or whatever the case may be. And it's gonna basically be a brand new car. Ooh, that thing clean. Look at them headlights, boy. Ooh, them headlights, boy. It couldn't have come out no better. Yeah. meguiars, I mess with you. I mess with you. Yes, sir, I mess with you. Alright, man, I'm gonna go ahead and finish waxing this thing before it get dark. As you can see, I done started right there. See, y'all see my swirls on the other side. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah. So I'm gonna go on and finish up, and I'll give you a little vid of the finished product real quick, and then that'll be it for this post. You know what I'm saying? Headlight restoration finally activated and in action. Ooh, that thing clean. Oh, you know, it was crazy because I was about to get new headlights. I still probably am. Not right now though. I'm gonna do some more stuff. And I was gonna get some new lenses. But boy, that meguiars, hey, I met with you for real though. Hey, if y'all need to do that, y'all need to mess with that meguiars. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go ahead and where my box at? Oh yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and give them a in-clip advertisement. So y'all see that thing? Ooh, that thing nasty, boy. That thing nasty. Well, that's it right there, though. That's it right there. And it really do work. I got one thing to say about that car right there. Ooh. Next. Oh, yeah. Now look at it. Headlights is restored. Got a little wax job on it. You know, it ain't masterfully detailed like I can do a car, but it's dang on good. You know what I'm saying? Had to step it up aesthetically real quick, shine it up. You know, it's running real good, but them headlights were looking ugh. Now they look at ooh, just like the whole car is. The whole car say ooh. Yeah, you hear the thing smooth. Got that little wax job on, a little carnauba. Yeah, just put some little spray wax on there. You know, not no deep buffing action. You know, still got a couple things to do. You know, yeah. Ooh, them rims on. Ooh, yeah, buddy. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, finally got this thing clean like I wanted to. I was supposed to have this clean like this probably like around vlog 3, but you know how stuff happen. But there you go, man. The headlights clean. They say it'll stay like this for a year. So I think I'm gonna just ride like that for a year. That's good for me. For real. For right now. Either until I sell this or get another Benz. So yeah, as it said, I sell it for $6,500 with the rims, $5,000 without. That thing running phenomenal. You can hear it. Just yeah. Still got to go around and get all the oxidation off of my metal surfaces. But like I say, this will do for right now. Looks awesome. For a 21-year-old car, man, you can't tell me nothing. Side view, hose. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Step back off for a little bit. Look at the sun ain't in there. It's like 8 o'clock right now. Man, that white so clean, it blinding. It's like the sun shining on it, but it ain't. The sun gone. That's how white that is. Look at it. Look how, ooh, that thing white. The sun ain't even out. Why it look like that? That's that drug paraphernalia white. I'm not gonna say. I don't know what y'all talking about. Next.